back to my channel. So I know y'all see me, I'm looking a hot mess, you know what I'm saying? Still got the mark from my lace front. It is what it is. But y'all probably noticed by the thumbnail, but today I'm about to do a braided ponytail. And so basically I'm gonna just walk y'all through like the steps and show y'all what I'm doing. But I don't want this video to be extra long, so I'm not finna like put all the blow drying and clips in there. I'm gonna just put the beginnings or whatever. But yeah, and so hopefully y'all can bear with me through this. By the way, I have 4C hair, and I watched another girl do a video on it and she had like 3 something. But I'll show y'all what gels and stuff I'm using. So I'm just gonna start off by like blow drying. So I'll show y'all a little clip of me blow drying. So I'm gonna blow dry, kind of flat iron, not really, like just do like one run. So blow dry, flat iron, and then I'm gonna go put it in a ponytail, and I'll show y'all the whole step with me putting the braids in. So I'm gonna get this hair out, start blow drying, and I'll be right. So I did some mini detangling last night, and yeah, I said mini. And I had put some, you know, the little Nairobi foaming mousse or whatever. Where is it? Let me show it to you. I put some of this in my hair or whatever to put it in a ponytail. And so yeah, that's really all I have in my hair right now, because before that I had in some flat twist, and I only used that to put them in. But yeah, so I'm gonna just start by blow drying half my head for now. It's not, maybe I should mist it. I think I'm gonna mist it first. So yeah, I'll get back when this half is blow dried, and yeah. Okay, so I'm done with the first half. I should probably blow dry it a little more, but I don't know. I'm hot. Okay, I'm hot. But yeah, so I'm gonna do the second half, come back, and we're gonna get ready to flat iron this thing, okay? Okay, so as y'all can see, we through the blow drying phase, and yeah, my end's looking funny because I originally had like my ends were bleached. Well, my hair was bleached and it's growing up, and so it's kind of like green or whatever, because I put jet black dye over my head because I got sick of that color. But anyway, so we are through blow drying, and now I'm gonna let my flat iron heat up, and I'm gonna just show y'all like the beginning part of me going through flat ironing, because I know it's gonna take a long time. But yeah, so if you have hair like me, you see exactly why we kind of do need to run with the flat iron over once, because I've done a braided ponytail before, and I do not have that gel that works for me that I can put on my hair and have it like not coil up. And so I just rather flat iron it and have it blend in perfectly, because child, trust me, I done did a tacky braided ponytail before. So I'm gonna do these flat irons, y'all. I haven't flat ironed my hair forever, but we about to do it. Alright, y'all, the green light just came on. I don't know if y'all can see it, but that means it's time to go. So I just put my hair in a little loose ponytail or whatever, and I'm gonna just grab little small parts. I think that was small. Yeah, I'm gonna just grab little small parts or whatever to just run through and flat iron. I think that was enough. But yeah, so I'm gonna just do that across just about, well, my whole head. Smoking, y'all. Probably need to turn it down a little bit. Alright, and so yeah, it's a little semi-straight. Hope y'all get straighter than mine. But I'll get back to y'all after this flat iron step. Good luck, y'all. So this is the final result of the straightening, and it's straight, so I don't care. But if y'all see this part, because y'all probably still gonna be flat ironing when y'all see this part. Like, it does not have to be like a perfect silk press. As y'all can see, mine is stiff, sweetie, okay? Mine is stiff, and it's finna go in the ponytail, that's why. But so go ahead and just grab your gel that you use. I'm about to grab mine, and I'll be right back. And so I'll show y'all what gels I'm gonna be using. Okay. So one of the 2 gels I'm gonna be using today, the first one is gonna be this gel. The Xtreme gel or whatever. I love this gel. Okay, this is my holy grail. I know some of y'all use Eco Styler. I'm done with that. Okay, I'm moving on to bigger and better things. And then my second one is this edge booster, and this one, as you can see at the bottom, it says for thick and coarse hair. So like I said, if you in a 4C club, get this, okay? I pray on this gel. And so I'm gonna just go ahead and I'm gonna kind of just go ahead and comb it up into a ponytail first, and then I'm gonna just be like adding the gel and stuff on like as we get there. And so as you can see, like, it's just a whole lot easier, I guess. Yeah, I ain't get some of them roots in the back, but that's okay. Yeah, so if you're still flat ironing, pause the video if you need to, but I'm gonna just go ahead and put this in a little ponytail. And so just basically put your ponytail where you want your braid to be. I didn't want my braid to be too high up on my head, so I'm kind of putting mine like right in the center, not too high but not too low. And just make sure you comb in that ponytail. A lot of y'all may or may not agree, but for me, because my hair is straightened, I'll probably have to use less gel to like gel my hair and stuff up. And so also make sure you have some what is it called, the got to be spray. I'm gonna grab mine too. But yeah, so I just wrapped that around a couple times. Last time he came, got to be spray, right? But yeah, so now we have the ponytail in Pat girl, whatever. And so I'm gonna just go in with my edge control first, cause like I don't need too much. Like I don't need too much, so don't put too much in here. Cause I do not like when my hair is heavy with gel and all of that stuff. And so I'm just basically going ahead and lining all that with gel. Mainly the I can't talk. Mainly the perimeter, like your edges, your kitchen, clean all that up just to have your ponytail looking really sleek and clean. And if you have a brush to brush it in, that'll be ideal, but I don't, so I'm going to be using my comb. Let me get all this hair off of it. My hair is literally stuck in the comb. And so yeah, just comb / brush that gel and everything into the hair. And if you want to do some cool little edges and whatnot, you might want to leave those out. Definitely might. But yeah, and so now you got your gel and stuff in there, right? Still looking a little tacky. And so I'm gonna go ahead and plug in my blow dryer. And that's because next, to take the comb off, right? And so next I'm gonna go through with this got to be spray. And I'm gonna spray the top. And so I'm gonna blow dry and spray, blow dry and spray. Alright, and so now we're just gonna go through and put it in an even better ponytail. And so now you can really like grip everything. And I know me, I always have a little problem like in this area because it always be a little hump that bothers me. Yeah, so now go through and really grip it. Of course, not too much because I know me, when that thing be too tight, it's coming out tomorrow. Taking it out. Where's my hair tie?
Gangsters on the beat.
And so now this is the final one. So make sure you have it exactly where you're gonna want your braid to be at. think mine is a little slanted. Hold on. Alright, so I just ended up finding me another pack. But so basically right here we have about 2 packs. And you only need the rubber band for the first pack. So it's kind of already tied around like that or whatever. But I'm gonna just loop it through one more time just for some extra security. And so I'm gonna take the rubber band and just wrap it around your ponytail. And I'm gonna just wrap it around a few times. Alright, this is my last one. Don't pop it, don't pop.
Dangerous on the beat.
Alright, we're safe. And so I have my other packet here. I'm gonna just sit that right here, and I'm gonna find a paper, not a paper clip, child. I almost got a paper clip in my hair. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna find a hair clip, and so I just got me a little hair clip just like this or whatever, just to kind of separate a piece of hair, because this piece of hair you're gonna use at the end to wrap around the braid. All right, so you're gonna need about this much. Yeah, see, this much. And so I'm just gonna put the clip on there. Yeah, I think that's good like that. And so now it's time to start. And so first, you have your hair straightened. So as y'all can see, it's blending pretty good. Okay, it's blending pretty good. And so I'm gonna turn this way and be looking at the mirror as I'm doing it so y'all can see. Okay, I think that's good. Alright. And so I'm gonna try to separate the hair into 3 parts. And so I'm trying to braid mine fairly tight or whatever, because I don't want no hair or nothing hanging out. I don't want y'all to see my leave out, so yeah.
Okay, and so I'm just about ready to part with my hair. Yeah, I'm almost done.
Dangerous on the beat.
Alright. So yeah, so I'm through the part with my hair. And I'm gonna go through this other pack and just grab a little bit of hair just to feed in and make that braid a little thicker.
Alright, and so as I'm braiding, I'm about to start grabbing just little amounts of gel or whatever just to
Put in and keep the braid neat. And so I'm still feeding in hair because I still, it's pretty long, but I think this is gonna be my last feed in piece. So I'm really not sure if you'll have to dip it or not. I don't think I'm gonna dip mine. I think I should be straight with just some mousse or something.
Dangerous on the beat.
And we get into the end of my braid, and so mine is just
barely browning.
Alright, and so here's my braid. I kind of just knot at the end because why not? And so I'm gonna just go through and put some mousse on, just the actual braid part. And that's just gonna give it some shine and a little volume, you know.
Dangerous on the beat.
And so now we can get to the invisible whole shebang parts. And so I'm gonna go ahead and untie these, take all these off. And so boom, we have the braid, right? And so now this part is supposed to cover up the hair bow itself. And so just basically straighten that out. I got so much hair all over me right now. Yeah. And so straighten that out. Just hold it out like this. And grab your got to be spray. And just basically spray the don't get it on your hair. Spray the strand. So my nozzle be messing up, so I had to spray mine extra close. And so now just wrap that around your hair bow and just the top part of the braid. And so that's the final look. And so at this point, just go in, do your edges, you know, make it look how you want it to look and everything. I'm about to do my edges and then I'll come back because all y'all see is forehead right now and that's not good. Alright y'all, so here's the finished look. I'm gonna do a little but yeah, I really like it. But hopefully y'all's turned out good too. If you really like this look, you know what I'm saying, you enjoyed my video, my little tutorial, let me know in the comments. And of course, like and subscribe. And yeah, thank you for watching. If y'all haven't already, make sure y'all tune into my Vlogmas. And yeah.